Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
A pregnant woman and her unborn twins are fighting for their lives following a road rage shooting in Palmetto. Manatee deputies say she was hit on Sunday after Vincent Steele allegedly opened fire on the truck she was riding in, angry that he had crashed while trying to pass them on Business 41. Steele now faces 5 counts of attempted murder, and the victim has undergone multiple surgeries since the shooting. Fox 13's Kimberly Quizon spoke with someone close to the family who wants their identity concealed.
The gentleman right here is the one who actually caused the accident. So he was upset that his vehicle crashed, and that's why he opened fire on a pregnant woman who was a veteran. This is pretty pathetic, very bad.
First thing when she woke up, she said, "Is my mom still alive?"
That is the nightmare a family is now living after a drive along Business US 41 in Palmetto.
They actually seen him in the rearview mirror, weaving in and out of traffic.
As the road merges with US 41, the family told deputies a BMW was coming up fast. The Manatee County Sheriff's Office says as the driver attempted to pass their truck, he clipped it and spun out of control. When the driver of the truck pulled over to make sure everything was okay,
They just started hearing gunshots, and they said that they could actually hear the ricochets or the bullets actually hitting the vehicle, and it stunned them.
Seconds after, deputies say 7 shots were fired. The driver of the truck took off, but quickly made a U-turn for the hospital after realizing his pregnant fiancée had been hit.
We had somebody who just was being impatient, so it would appear to try to get around this truck, ended up causing an accident and then taking it to a whole nother level.
50-year-old Vincent Steele of Riverview was arrested and charged with 5 counts of attempted murder.
We know that the driver of the sedan, the BMW, our suspect, is the one who fired multiple bullets into that car.
As Steele made his first court appearance, family members spoke out on his behalf. They say he was on his way back from picking up his wife at work, who was sick.
So much new developments this morning for the man accused of shooting a pregnant mother during a road rage shooting in Palmetto earlier this month. And in just a few hours, he will face a judge. 10 Tampa Bay also getting our hands on these crime scene photos from a family member. You can see at least 7 bullet holes in the car. Deputies say Vincent Steele of Riverview shot up that pickup truck 7 times, hitting the 36-year-old woman 3 times. Also inside that truck was her fiancé and 9-year-old daughter. At last check, she was recovering and her unborn twins are healthy. Both were not injured. Steele faces 5 counts of attempted murder for each person inside the truck, including the unborn twins.
Well, no bond for the man accused of shooting a pregnant veteran in a fit of road rage. The woman and her baby survived, but Manatee County prosecutors argued that Vincent Steele was too dangerous to let out as he awaits trial. He opened fire earlier this month after crashing into a truck on US 41. Fox 13's Evan Axelbank is in the newsroom with why the judge kept him behind bars. Evan.
Haley, the judge found that this was a routine fender bender that never had to get to the point of someone getting out of their car and firing bullet after bullet. Vincent Steele admitted to deputies that he was irate when he crashed his BMW into the pickup truck, thinking that he was in the right. He said he took an unloaded gun, then loaded it, then approached the car and tried to pull the door open. He said he saw that driver pulling his own gun out, then used his own to fire multiple shots. He hit a pregnant woman 3 times, who was also a veteran who served in Afghanistan, and then that vehicle sped off. The defense called the character witness today who said that he is an upstanding person in their community. Despite the presence of a gun, though, being found in that pickup, deputies argued that none of this would have happened if not for Steele.
We determined that based upon the evidence at the scene and the statements that we had gathered so far, that Mr. Steele did not have a valid claim to self-defense at that point by being the primary aggressor.
He's very dependable. He's an honest person. I never seen him have any type of malice or anyone.
The intent to charge at a vehicle with a number of unknown passengers in it in an irate fashion, according to the defendant's own statement, irate fashion, and proceed to open fire even as the vehicle drove away, according to the evidence today, to me says there is nothing that I can do to protect the community.
Of course you're not going to get bond. You had attempted murder. You almost killed a whole family. Very pathetic.
Twins of the female are fighting for their lives right now. And if they do in fact lose that fight, he will be looking at murder charges.